on how to map roads. So after you choose your project that it requires you to map some roads, this what you will be able to see. You can always go back here on the right side corner and click on instructions to make sure that they requires you to map buildings and roads or whatever you're choosing. In this particular case, we need to make sure that we can map some roads. So now we're gonna go and zoom in order to make sure that we can map some roads. So here we can see that they already done a lot. We can click on any of these and we can see this is residential road, or here on this red one, and we can see the different types of roads that were already mapped. So for example here we can see that here is one little road that needs to be connected with this main road. So we're gonna click on line and we're gonna try to make a few points. So you're trying to make fewest points possible to make this road, and you want to connect with other roads right here, and you want to double click. So after you double click, you will see this on the left hand side in edit feature. Do we have an issue because what we just created doesn't have a feature type? So we're gonna go here and click, and we can search for residential road and we're gonna click on it. So there's multiple different options that you could see as a feature type, but most often it's gonna be a road called residential road. So now when we click here, we know that everything is set up, and we can click either on X or anywhere on the map, and we can look around and see another road that needs to be mapped, and we will do the same process we just done it. Click on line, create a road, make sure you connect that with the particular road, and you'll be good to go. Also, another really important thing is if you are making a road here closer to this pink square, which actually represent what you can map on this project, so only things inside of this square, you want to make sure if you're mapping close to that purple square that so if you're mapping this road, for example, you're gonna click and you will go all the way to this line. You will not go outside of this square. That's really important to know. So after you're done mapping those roads, you want to click on save, and in the left side corner it will pop up this to upload what you already had done. So click on upload. It will take some time. And after you're done with making changes in this particular project, you're gonna look at the right hand side, and you wanna choose either no and submit the task, because not all the roads are still mapped. The only so in the cases actually when you can see that every road and building is mapped and everything that this project needs, then you can click on yes and then submit the task. In this case, when we are not sure that everything is completed, we're gonna go either a no, submit the task, or you can just click select another task. So it will basically move you out from the beginning of the project that you choose. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and thank you for mapping roads with us.